In this video, I'm going to show you how you can perfectly translate any script from English into any other language. Now with this, we're going to use two tools, and the first tool is ChatGPT. We shall use ChatGPT to get an article from English language and then get to the next tool to translate it. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. So let's go ahead and create our article. Our article is ready. I want to translate this article from English to Spanish. If we ask ChatGPT, it will do it for us, but I want us to use another tool from Google that will give us a more refined and detailed translation, and this tool does it perfectly well, and this is Google Translate. So go to your browser and search for Google Translate, and here is the website. Click on it. This is one of the best tools out there that you can find that will perfectly translate your article from any language into another. Now for this case, we shall paste here our article. I'll copy it and then paste it here. So here is the original script, as you can see, and the language detected is English. I want us to translate it into Spanish. If you need more other languages, you can just click on the down arrow and you'll see we have a bunch of languages. Almost any language, even native languages, are available. So for our case, we want to translate it into Spanish. So select the language you want to translate. It is, and it is well translated. You can as well go ahead and select another language. I'm a Swahili speaker. Let me say I want Swahili. And here we go. A perfect translation from English to Swahili. And if I compare it one by one, it is well translated. So let's try French. If you're a French speaker, here is the translation from English to French. So Google Language Translate perfectly translates any article in any language. If you have any question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.